Today is my big race. I will do my best. What happened to my shoes? Mom, someone ruined my shoes. Oh no, Emma. Don't worry. We will find a way. I can still try. I will not give up. Emma, why are you worried? Someone ruined my running shoes. Oh no. I'm sorry, Emma.
Runners, get ready! 3, 2, 1, go!
It's okay. Keep going, Emma. I can do this. Emma is catching up. I did it! I won! Congratulations, Emma. I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you, Emma. Thank you, Mom.
Emma, these shoes were damaged on purpose. Someone did this to stop you from racing.
Who would do that?
Look, someone was near your shoes this morning.
Who is that?
Someone was near Emma's shoes this morning.
Sarah, did you see my shoes this morning? No, Emma, I did not. I didn't touch your shoes, Emma. I promise.
Wait, look at that backpack.
That yellow star. I've seen that keychain before. I remember that keychain. Daniel had that keychain. Daniel, that's who it belongs to. Daniel, can we talk to you? Okay. Emma, I'm sorry. I know what happened to your shoes. I damaged your shoes. I was jealous. I wanted to win. Why did you do that, Daniel? Emma, I'm really sorry. I made a bad choice. I forgive you, Daniel. Thank you, Emma.
Winning is important, but being honest is more important.
Congratulations, Emma. You showed great courage.
Thank you! Today, you learned that courage and honesty matter. I will remember that, Mom. Enjoyed the story? Like and subscribe to Learn English with Story.